In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Revolut virtual card. Now, the first thing you need to do will be to log into your Revolut bank app, and once you are in the home screen, you scroll to the top right corner of your screen where you can find the card icon. You click on that. So once you click on that, you would see Add New at the bottom. You also click on Add New, then you'll be able to find physical card and virtual card. Since you intend to get a virtual card, you click on Virtual Card. So immediately you do that, you can choose whichever color you want. If it's blue, gray, yellow, or whichever one you are interested in, you click on it and say Get Virtual Card for free. So once I do that, you can include what you intend to call the card. Let's say, for example, you want to use this for shopping. You just include shopping and you click on Create Card. And that's all. You have created your virtual card. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.